Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for pak choy bhaji. I'm pretty sure you've had this before, yummy by itself. But today we're going to be pairing this with chicken. And this is very good, my friends, if you've never had this. This is so nice, you're going to want to eat twice. It's so good. So we have today here about 2 pounds of pak choy. We have just about 3 pieces of chicken there, as you can see. And we're going to be using some black pepper, salt, of course, 1 small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, pepper to taste, and 1 tomato. And that's about it for this recipe, guys. So yes, as I said, pak choy, as some people call it, bok choy as well, and chicken goes very nice fried. And we're going to be showing you just how to do that today. So let's get started with this recipe, guys. So first of all, guys, we're going to get our stuff ready, and we're going to start with our pak choy, of course. So first of all, we're going to wash our pak choy, and as you know, leafy stuff you have to wash thoroughly, and these grow close to the ground as well, so they tend to have sand in between the leaves, so you want to wash this thoroughly to get out all the sand and everything. Alright, it's time to cut this up now, and we're going to remove the tip of the stalk like that there, and we're going to be using this portion of the bhaji. Alright, so we have most of our stuff prepared. We have all of this chopped bhaji there, and all that's left now is our chicken to be cut up, and then we are ready to roll. So you can use what part of the chicken. We're going to use most meat. You're going to have a little bit of bone in there, but not much bone. So it's your choice. So we have this cut up. We're going to be using about this much chicken. Feel free to use how much you want. So as they say, if you're using more chicken and bhaji, then you have to call the dish chicken and bhaji. And if you're using less chicken, well, then it's Baji and Chicken, right? So we'll be adding a bit of vinegar. So there you want to just remove any stringy stuff that's hanging on there, little fat and so on. So we're going to add some oil now to our pan. So as you see, we did our bhaji first, and we put it in this calanda, as we call it, strainer. We left it there so it drained while we were doing our other stuff, and now we have everything ready, so it's smooth sailing right now once you got everything ready out of the way. So our oil is hot, my friends, and we're going to start adding our onions there first to begin with. So we like to cook this for about 30-45 seconds to begin with. Release some aromas there, build some flavors. So because we are using chicken in this dish, my friends, we're going to add our chicken now. we're gonna add some black pepper and salt to the chicken. So that's the black pepper we're adding now. And here's the salt. So we're gonna let this fry up like about halfway. Half cook the chicken. And that also is gonna release some flavors in there as well. And that's what cooking is, guys, building flavors as you go. Alright, so we're gonna give our chicken a turn. It's looking good, smelling yummy. So this is gonna go nice with some rice, even roti if you wish. So now that this is half cooked, guys, we're gonna add our scallions now. We're also going to add the garlic that we pounded in the mortar here. And now we're going to add our tomato as well. Give that a little mix. And that's smelling so good, guys. So right away we're going to add our baji, or pak choy, or bok choy, whatever we call it. So a little bit of salt. And a little bit more of black pepper. Now we're gonna mix this up, get everything distributed, mix it nice. And this is smelling even better now. You can smell that pak choy and the chicken and the onions. Man, I'm getting hungry already. Look at that. So once you give this a good mix, you're gonna cover this now, leave it to cook. So see you in a bit. So this is about 2-3 minutes, my friends. This is what our Baji and chicken is looking like. Yummy. So we're gonna give this a turn now. They're looking good. So we're gonna cover this back and let it cook. Okay, and this looks like it's done here, my friends. You see that? Yes, this is done. So we tasted for salt, guys. You can do that now at this time. Now we're gonna add a little bit more. So it wants a little bit more salt, so we've added that. But other than that, this is done, my friends. Our yummy pak choy baji and chicken is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.